Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a root symbol on your Google Sheet web on your PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a root symbol on your Google Sheet web on your PC or computer? So there is no insert symbol option, so you just need to use your keyboard shortcut. So here the keyboard shortcut was alt key with the 251, and the another shortcut was you just need to press Windows key with the dot symbol. Okay, just type dot. The first thing you just need to press alt key with the 251. Okay, so let's type for an example. The first you just press the alt key and type 251 on your numbers and just leave the alt key. It automatically create this root symbol. This is how you just insert the root sign symbol on your Google Sheet web. The second way that you can just click on the Windows key plus dot symbol. I just here. So this is the symbol dialog box of the Windows. Click on the symbol option and just need to change to the math symbol and just scroll down, and you can find you can just here find the root symbol option. This is the two ways that you can just insert the root symbol on your Google Sheet web on your computer. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.